The island of Koh Tao is probably best known for snorkelling and diving in and among the beautiful blue waters that surround it. And maybe one other thing, but we'll forget about that for now. So we got ourselves booked on an all-day snorkelling tour and headed out to see what's what. We are so lucky with the weather today. So far, so far.
Don't jinx it.
Right, enough chatter, let's go see some fish. We swam all the way from over there where those boats are to the beach, and this water once again is ridiculous.
I found a coral that looks like brains.
Oh, I just drank like half a litre of seawater.
Ew.
So that was only one stop, guys. We've still got 4 more. We're on the move on the way to stop number 2, but in the meantime we have got lunch.
Go!
Okay, stop number 2 is Mango Bay, which is at the north of the island, and look at it.
They have just put the water on the slide, so I think it's time to go down the slide.
It's slide time! So guys, we're on the move to stop number 3, but I think we may have a bit of a problem. That cloud looks mean. We've been cornered for sure. It's gonna absolutely chuck it down.
No, please. I'm not ready for this.
At least we had 2 stops without it.
The water has gone from beautiful blue, deep blue, to black.
Suddenly there's a very new danger on this boat. So the captain is very rapidly turning the boat around like a 180. Island life. Oh no, we've had a casualty. I think this is the first time we've ever been cold in Thailand. It's just a lot of wind followed by rain, and then more rain to make it even colder and even wetter. Okay, we've just pulled up at stop number 3, and it all seems to have calmed down again, sort of.
Oh my gosh, this water is like bath water. It's so warm.
That storm seems like it was just a little blip. Sun is back out already, and it's back to being heavenly.
Yeah.
It's insane. The water looked like it was black during that storm, and now it couldn't be any bluer, I swear. One of the guides has taken us away from the rest of the group to show us a bunch of cool stuff, and we're going so far away from them. He knows what he's doing, he knows what he's looking for. Look at this place. We're the only ones here. That was the most unbelievable experience. That guy could have picked any 2 of the 100 on this boat, and for some reason he picked us, and he made it so special for us. That was incredible. that was stop number 4 on the snorkeling tour, Ao Look Bay. Not quite as much to see there as there was in the previous one, but it's the next one we're really looking forward to. Stop number 5, hopefully going to see a shark or a turtle. Either or would be a bonus. Okay, stop number 5 and the last stop, Shark Bay. Woo. Is how you spend a day in Koh Tao.
That has got to be one of the best things that we've done in Thailand, or ever.
Oh my god.
Amazing.
And the value for money, guys, oh my god. We paid 500 baht for that whole day of snorkeling. Lunch, tea and coffee, pick up and drop off. Oh, and the snorkeling equipment as well.
Amazing value. Like, it makes me wonder why it's so cheap. Like, it's such a good trip. And so we went with Oxygen, and we highly recommend. The staff are so friendly, they're so helpful. Like we said before, one of them chose us and took us to some secret place. They were just so helpful, weren't they?
Bunch of jokers and
so
legends.
Funny.
We hope you came across how amazing that was. So if you enjoyed it, please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button gently.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.